Hello and welcome back to Financial Flagship. My name is Alex and I hope all of you had a great trading week so far. In this video we're gonna go through all the analysis for the upcoming week on the Forex and commodity market. Also, keep watching till the end as you may be interested in the latest cryptocurrency news and trends. Let's start off with EURUSD. In our past analysis, we correctly forecasted that EURUSD will reach the $1.17 low. For next week, we anticipate the price to start a bullish move. We will first wait for a trendline breakout, followed by a correction that would act as a confirmation for the move that we expect. Moving on to Pound USD. Last week, as we pointed out in our previous analysis, the pair continued the bearish correction and it looks like we reached the end of it. In the coming week, we expect the bullish move that started from the support area to make a correction and break the orange trend line. Our first target will be the resistance level highlighted on the chart. For dollar yen, in our previous outlook, we anticipated the price to make a small correction and break the resistance level, having a chance to make a new yearly high. Instead, the price started to fall after reaching the resistance level. For next week, we expect a price pullback, followed by a bearish move that will retest the support level. Let's hop on to AUDUSD. In our previous outlook, we anticipated the price to finish the correction and break the low before starting a reversal. Instead, the pair made an accumulation area and continued the correction. For next week, we expect the price to make a breakout from the rectangle and head towards the resistance area. Let's move on to USDCAD. In our previous forecast, we anticipated that USDCAD will slowly increase and fall once more after breaking the resistance level. Instead, the price started to lose strength from the beginning of the week. In the coming days, we expect the price to drop one more time before resuming the bigger trend. Guys, if you ever want to track our weekly analysis, head over to our website, choose the market that you're interested in, from Forex, commodities, stock market, crypto, and select the analysis week that you prefer. After that, just by clicking this button here, you can verify how our analysis is performing for every pair that we are researching. This will take you to our TradingView profile, where every analysis is recorded in real time. Also, if you're interested in educational materials, follow us on TradingView and stay up to date with the latest technical and fundamental trends. Okay, now let's head back to our charts and see how did gold perform last week. In our previous forecast, we correctly anticipated gold to make a small pullback and start a bullish move. In the coming week, we are expecting gold to make small higher lows and reach the orange trend line. Moving on to silver. In our previous analysis, we correctly forecasted that the price will make a pullback and make another bullish impulse. In the coming week, we foresee the price to correct and continue towards the resistance area. At that level, we will monitor the price action and decide if we go for one more low or we will continue to the upside. Now let's have a look at US oil. Last week, we correctly forecasted the price to make a new low inside the correction. For next week, we expect the price to make a consolidation and slowly break the resistance area and continue towards the orange trend line. Moving on to natural gas. In our last forecast, we rightly anticipated the price to break the first trend line and consolidate underneath. In the coming week, we expect a small consolidation to occur that will break the support level and push the pair towards the second trend line. Let's head over to copper. Copper respected our previous forecast as the price pushed for another bearish move before bouncing off the trend line. In the coming days, we anticipate the pair to slowly rise and make a new top inside the correction. Now let's head over to the crypto market and start off with Bitcoin. Despite the fact that the United States government is slamming the crypto industry, Wyoming stands out for its acceptance of the new technology. This state, dubbed the Wild West of crypto, just enacted 24 blockchain-friendly legislation. According to a report by CNBC, The state's most recent measure will enable for rapid approval for new crypto banks. Technically, in our last report, we were right when we expected a sideways correction before the continuation to the upside. However, the correction took place above the zone that we expected it to happen. For this week, we have no indication that the price will reverse. The higher probability move is to the upside, either going right now or with a small consolidation along the way. We would see a bigger correction in this area before the price continues its path to the upside. Let's move on to XRP. Ripple's letter motion to seal exhibits sparked settlement rumors between the SEC and Ripple in the crypto world. Due to the filing of the lawsuit and subsequent delisting from exchanges, the price of the token plummeted at the start of the year. Because of the ongoing litigation, crypto exchanges in the United States have been unable to provide XRP on their platforms. However, a prospective settlement may pave the way for relisting. From a technical perspective, last week we were right about the move in the price of Ripple. It went to the upside and broke the resistance area. This week we see a strong momentum for a bullish continuation, with or without a consolidation in this area. We have no reason to believe a reversal is going to happen. However, if there is a sharp pullback, we will keep you posted. On Ethereum. An hour after Turkish sports team Fenerbahce launched its Ethereum-based fan token today, the token surged by 433% despite crashing the only centralized exchange that lists it. According to the token's white paper, Fenerbahce token holders can vote on minor club decisions, like naming facilities, and snag priority access to match sales. From a technical perspective, Ethereum broke the last resistance area marked on the chart in last week's report, retested it, and then continued to the upside as forecasted. For this week, we see a continuation to the upside, with or without a consolidation before the price movement. There is a possibility for a sharp pullback, however it remains low in our opinion. Moving on to Litecoin. BitPay, the largest provider of cryptocurrency payment services, announced last week that they will be supporting Litecoin in their BitPay wallet. Note that they haven't added the likes of Cardano, Polkadot, Chainlink, or residing above Litecoin in terms of market valuation. Technically, Litecoin behaved as we expected in our last report. The price made a small pullback and break out to the upside big time towards the resistance area. For now, we see the price continuing its bullish trajectory towards the resistance area with or without small consolidations along the way. Our coin of the week is TRX. TRON is a blockchain-based operating system with the goal of making blockchain technology appropriate for everyday usage. Unlike Bitcoin, which can handle up to 6 transactions per second, and Ethereum, which can handle up to 25, TRON says that its network can manage 2000 transactions per second. This project is best described as a decentralized platform focused on content sharing and entertainment, and to this end, one of its biggest acquisitions was the file sharing service BitTorrent back in 2018. TRON has broken its objectives into 6 stages: delivering simple distributed file sharing, incentivizing content production through monetary incentives, letting content producers to create their own personal tokens, and decentralizing the gaming industry are just a few examples. TRON is also one of the most popular blockchains for building decentralized apps. From a technical perspective, when we look at the 4-hour chart, we see a bullish move that started at the end of July and now it reached the resistance zone located at 0.91, 0.94 USDT per TRX. The higher probability move for this pair is a retracement to the blue trend line marked on the chart and then a continuation to the upside. The price could break the resistance area and retrace after. Potential targets for retracements are the blue trend line and the minor support area. That should be all for this week, and if you found this video helpful, we will be grateful if you hit that like button below, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. See all of you next Saturday. I wish all of you a profitable trading week, and until then, trade with care and thanks for watching.